Are you tired of running up and down the country just for a signature? Don't worry, e-sign in a hurry. Say goodbye to the endless signature chase. It's instant, easy and legally binding. Create your own lease in under 30 seconds. Simply visit avjhomes.com and click on the Order Now button. Select the service you wish to take. Fill out the short form with some property details, tenant information and landlord details. Pay now to receive a VAT receipt and watch the lease fly instantly into your tenant's emails to sign online. Once the tenant has signed, the landlord will automatically receive an email to e-sign to, all from the comfort of your mobile. Download the finalised PDF lease agreement at your convenience, wherever you are. Join countless landlords who have already made the switch. E-signing, it's the modern, hassle-free way to handle your tenancy lease agreements.